Welcome back to the China series. This week we're heading south from Beijing to Shanghai. We decided to start our time in the area with a day trip to Suzhou. Suzhou has long been known as one of the most beautiful places on earth. An old Chinese proverb states, "In heaven there is paradise, on earth there is Hangzhou and Suzhou." We started our day by meeting our tour guide for a boat tour that slowly paddled throughout the canals. Suzhou is also known as the world's Oriental Venice because of the many canals that wind throughout the city.
Wow. Fish.
Oh, okay.
There are some birds over there for showing catching fish.
Okay.
And you can catch fish like as big as this one.
Wow, cool.
Wow. Just keep going.
After the canal tour, our tour guide led us through the side streets to see some of the New Year's decorations that were around the city.
Cool. For in the middle, the painting, it's like the gold or something to protect the family, the house, scare the evil away.
Oh.
And this we call it Spring New Year scroll. Nowadays we bought it, but the traditional people wrote by the calligraphy. Greeting like 新年好, it means Happy New Year. New it means 新 year 年 New Year 新年 Happy means 好你好
你好
like that.
No. It's okay, that's me. I love these back streets so much. For over 1,000 years, Suzhou has been a hub for scholars, artists, and skilled craftsmen, as well as a key trade center throughout China's history. While walking throughout the streets, we got to see some of the skilled craftsmanship that has happened in the city for hundreds of years. We ended the day with a delicious meal and some local Chinese beer. There we go. Wow, it looks so different.
Oh yeah,
Chicago's a really different.
this side.
On the next episode of the China series, we will be exploring and sharing with you our time in the world-renowned city of Shanghai. So make sure to subscribe and ring that bell because you won't want to miss it.